This is with no warm-ups either.
February 9th. Blizzard. Right Navarro. In a blizzard. There's the flag. It's snowing. There's the tower. Doing this in a blizzard. Doing the other side.
Man, is it cold.
Well, we're in the middle of a blizzard. The largest record snowfall in the history of Maine weather. Firefighter Frank Navarro. Here's the size right there. 24. The other one's a 24 too. He was doing two of them. Frank's out here in the blizzard. There goes a plow truck.
Say no warm-up.
That's with no warm-ups. And the wind is coming from that direction. And there's the, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, he's all done. There's the gate. There's the station. There's all the snow.